Hi everyone, so I decided to print a new fan. I started with the part for fan, and while doing this I also stabilized the printhead again. So I screwed the radiator with the printhead with the heat block all the way in as much as I could, which seems to be stabilized now, but we'll see how it goes and if it gets loose again. But take a look at this. What a beautiful support. And the support is one wall support, 3 support, which is harder to print than the standard one because it involves both NEMA steppers. And take a look at this. It's time to bump the accelerations again. Support is printed with 1750 Accels, and man, it's not very well visible here, but it's rock solid. At least it looks like this. So what I didn't realize is that the instability of the printhead was impacting the print so much that I needed to decrease the flow because I thought it is overflowing on the high speeds, but it was actually the printhead which was leaking, but also it was unstable. So it is now stable and you can see the difference. I didn't need to lower the flow, not even a bit, so I'm very happy with it. Happy Tuesday everyone, and happy printing!